Welcome back to the channel. If you have been trading meme coins, you probably heard about Axiom. It's one of the most advanced meme coin trading bots on the market, but most traders don't realize how many powerful features it has built in, and they only use half of the platform. In this video, I will show you all the hidden tools to help you spot the next 100x runner. Axiom is invite only, which means you will need a sign-up code to join. If you use my link below, you will get instant access and also get a discount on your trading fees. So use my link if you want to save some money. Open an account, send some Solana to your Axiom wallet and you can start trading. The Pulse page is where all the latest coins show up. There is a column with new pairs, one with final stretch pairs that are about to graduate or migrate, and the migrated coins. You can set up different filters for every column depending on your trading strategy. You can also import and export filters if you don't know how to set them up yourself. You can download a list with filters for every category in my Discord server. Select all the text below the title, copy the code, go to your Axiom filter, click on import and paste the code there. Repeat this process for the two other filters and you will also find a good Twitter and Solana wallet tracker list and other useful trading tools and videos in my Discord. The Discord is free to join and the link is below in the description. I will not go into more detail on how to set up the filters because I already have a video tutorial on how to do that on my channel. Go watch that video if you need more help with setting up Axiom. If you, for example, want to get rid of the new pairs column because there's too much noise, you can change the layout by clicking on display, go to extras and remove the new pairs column from there. To hide a scam coin or blacklist a developer, click the small icon on top of the token image or use the bookmark icon at the top instead. If you want to set up sound alerts for the different categories, you can do that here. Pick one of the sounds from the list or you can upload your own sound file. Let's click on a random token to open the chart page with all the key details about the coin. We can see all the trades, the holders, the top traders, the dev tokens and much more information. On the right side is the trading panel where you enter the amount of Solana that you want to buy or sell with. You can also set your take profit and stop loss orders here or use the advanced trading strategy option to automatically place your take profit and stop loss orders right after you buy a token. There are 3 presets where you can enter the fee settings depending on your trading strategy. The more fees you pay, the faster your order goes through. Below the chart is the instant trade panel where you buy or sell tokens with one click. It is possible to customize your trade size and set your own fees from here. The Sell Initials button is useful if you are in profit but want to sell only your original investment and let the rest ride. Even if the coin goes to zero from here, you will never lose money. It's very fast and perfect for scalping. Another unique tool in Axiom is the real fees charting display. Most trading bots don't factor in the fees when showing your profit and loss on a chart. That means your real results often look different than what's on the screen. To fix this, go to the chart settings and turn on the account for fees in average lines, which adjusts your entry and exit lines to reflect the actual money you gained or lost after the fees. This makes your trading data much more accurate. Axiom gives you more incredible insights to help you avoid scam coins. The global fees paid indicates how much Solana a project has earned in trading fees. If a coin has $1 million market cap and the global fee is only 2 Solana, then that's a big red flag. It means that some holders got their tokens for free without paying a trading fee, or people have bundled a lot of the tokens in one transaction, and that's an indication that the coin will most likely rug. The general rule is that for every $5,000 market cap, the fee is around 0.5 Solana. A final stretch token should have a minimum global fee of 3 Solana, and a migrated token should have a minimum fee of 7 or 8 Solana. Anything less is probably a rug token. Tokens with a high market cap and low fees are 99% scams, so don't bother opening the chart. This token looks to have a normal fee amount, so let's click it and you will see that the chart looks organic. The bundles and holders can always be cheated, but the fees are on the blockchain and cannot be manipulated. You can also check the paid fees on the Pulse page next to the taxations. The puppet icon shows the amount of top 10 holders, and the DEF holding percentage tells you how much of the supply the DEF owns. You don't want to see more than 20% here, or the coin can be rugged. Next is the percentage of snipers, insiders and bundled wallets. These amounts should also be lower than 20 to keep out the scam tokens. If the coin was paid to get listed on Dex Screener, there will be another icon showing here. Above we have the Twitter or X or the Pump Fund page that comes with the token, the amount of holders, pro traders, KOLs and the amount of tokens that the dev created and got migrated. If you hover over the KOL icon, the Cabal spy will pop up showing you all the KOLs that have bought a coin. The Cabal spy can also be opened in the bubble maps in the holders section below the chart. The wallet tracker lets you track wallets of whales, influencers or even your own trades, and the X or Twitter tracker brings you all the posts from the top influencers without leaving the app. You really want to know what happens in the world real time, because memecoins are all about attention, news and hype. The Discover and Pulse links keep you updated about the latest token launches, final stretches and migrations while you are looking at the chart. Besides the profit and loss tool, we have the Lighthouse metrics. It displays live data like the top launch spot trading volume, the number of traders and detailed token creation stats. If there is more trading volume going on in Pump Fund, you can unselect all the other launch spots in the filter settings and concentrate on Pump Fund coins only. This will help you to focus on the coins that matter and turn down all the noise. Below is also a ticker with the current price of Bitcoin, Ethereum and Solana. We can also see the recommended priority and bribe fee price, and if your connection is unstable, you can switch the server depending on where you live. I live in Western Europe, so this is my closest server. This button hides the watch list at the top of the screen. This one changes the theme and notifications, and the other ones link to the Discord and the X account of Axiom. And if you want more information, you can click on the document to find out all the technical information. Creating a new wallet in Axiom to send Solana to is simple. You can do that with a mouse click in the portfolio page. Click Create Wallet and your brand new wallet pops up. To send funds to your new wallet, drag the main wallet to the right side and drag the new wallet in the window below. Click Start Transfer and select the amount of Solana that you want to send from your main wallet to the new wallet. You can also leverage trade meme coins on the perpetuals page and now make money when a coin is going down. Choose the pair you want to trade from the list, set your leverage and go long or short with the amount you choose. As far as I know, Axiom is the only platform with this feature. Just be careful and don't use too much leverage, because you can wipe out your portfolio fast. The Vision page offers an overview of all the biggest traders and KOLs. Click on a name to see their trades and their performance in more detail. Every time you trade on Axiom, you receive points and a cashback paid out in Solana. Trading Radium, Launch Tab and Sugar tokens gives you another chance to earn rewards. By actively trading on Axiom, you accumulate points for every trade you make. These points contribute to your overall score, unlocking additional benefits and potential future rewards. You can also refer people to Axiom with your own affiliate link and earn a share of their trading fees. It's an extra way to make some free money. When a friend signs up and begins trading on Axiom through your referral, you earn cashback based on their trading activities. Click on Share Referral to copy your affiliate link. Another exciting feature that most people don't take advantage of is on the Discover page. The search tool scans the trenches for tokens that are gaining momentum. One column shows early movers and the other column highlights tokens that are already running. This can save you a lot of time when trenching the market, and you can adjust the filters to catch projects at earlier stages. Axiom isn't just another trading bot, it's an all-in-one Memecoin command center. From real-time wallet tracking to social media alerts, from accurate charts to in-depth scans, it has everything you need in one place. Axiom is invite only, so you need an access code to make an account, but I have you covered. Use my referral link below to sign up and you will get a double cashback. The normal cashback is 5%, but if you use my link you get 10%. Okay, that's it for now. If you have any other Axiom tips, drop them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to get all my latest videos first. Have a great day and trade safely.